Welcome to Learners Math TV. In this video ay pag-aaralan natin ang rationalizing the denominator with conjugates. For our first example, we are going to rationalize this radical expression, 3 over 5 plus square root of 2. When we say rationalizing the denominator, in this case, kailangan ang final answer natin ay matanggal natin yung radical symbol sa kanyang denominator. So, ganito ang ating gagawin dyan. I-multiply natin siya sa kanyang conjugate. Ang conjugate ay 5 minus square root of 2. Saan galing ang 5 minus square root of 2? Yan ay kinopya natin mula dito sa given denominator. Ang hindi lang natin kinopya ay yung plus sign, yung kanyang operation. From plus sign, ginawa natin siyang minus sign. At ganun din ang gagawin natin dito sa numerator. Kailangan din natin i-multiply siya sa kanyang conjugate. Then, we're going to use the distributive property of multiplication na sinasabi, if x times the quantity a plus b, it is equal to ax plus bx. So, unahin muna natin ngayon yung 3 times 5. Ayan. So, that is equal to 15. And then, next is 3 times negative square root of 2. So, it becomes minus 3 square root of 2. Then, trabahuin naman natin ngayon etong denominator. I-multiply natin sa kanyang conjugate using the special product of sum and difference of two binomials. Ang sinasabi dyan, if the quantity a plus b times the quantity a minus b, it is equal to a squared minus b squared. So, kailangan lang pala, i-minus natin yung square nung first and second term. So, ganun ang gagawin natin dito sa ating denominator. Yung first term natin ay i-square natin, and then, minus, i-square din natin yung ating second term. Then, let us finalize. So, kopyahin muna natin yung ating numerator. And then, yung 5 squared, yan ay 5 times 5. So, it is equal to 25. And then, since meron tayo ditong index na 2, and just for visualization, lagyan natin, according to the Lawson radicals, kapag magkaparehas yung exponent ng radicand at saka ng index o kaya nasa ganitong klaseng expression siya, ay pwede na nating ilabas yung radicand. Yun ang gagawin natin dito sa 2 dahil parehas ang exponent na nandun at saka yung kanyang index. So magiging 25 minus 2 na yan. And then, let us finalize our answer. So kopyahin natin yung 15 minus 3 square root of 2 and that would be over 2 25 minus 2, that is 23. So, eto na ngayon ang ating simplified and final answer. Sa atin namang pangalawang example, we're going to rationalize y over square root of y minus 1. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, i-multiply natin yan sa kanyang conjugates. At ang conjugate ay square root of y plus 1. Tandaan natin na ang conjugate ay kinokopya lang natin mula dito sa given denominator, tapos pinapalitan lang natin yung kanyang operation. From minus sign, it becomes plus sign. Ganon din ang gagawin natin sa numerator. I-multiply din natin sa kanyang conjugate. And then, using again the distributive property of multiplication, ay i-multiply na natin ang mga numerators. So, magiging etong y times square root of y ay magiging y square root of y. And then, sumunod naman yung y times 1. So, magiging plus y. And then, dito naman tayo sa ating denominator. I-multiply natin sa kanyang conjugate using the special product of sum and difference of two binomials. So, mangyayari dyan dito sa ating first term, ay magiging quantity square root of y squared. And then, yung second term naman natin ay magiging minus 1 squared. Then, pwede na nating i-finalize ang ating answer. Kopyahin lang muna natin yung ating numerator. And then, according to the Lawson radicals, pwede na nating ilabas itong y dito sa loob ng radical symbol. Kasi may index siya dito na 2. Since magkaparehas na, we can remove the perfect and truth. So, magiging y na lang yan. And then, eto namang negative 1 squared, of course, magkakaroon tayo dyan ng minus 1 na lang. And since wala na tayong nakikita rito sa denominator na radical symbol, we can say that this is now our final and simplified answer. Ito naman ang ating pangatlong example, square root of 2 over 2 plus 3 is square root of 2. So let us rationalize the denominator by multiplying to its conjugate. So ang conjugate natin dyan ay ang 2 minus 3 is square root of 2. So from plus sign, ginawa natin siyang minus sign. So, of course, i-multiply din natin yung ating numerator sa kanyang conjugate. Now again, by distributive property of multiplication, i-multiply na natin yung ating numerators. Square root of 2 times 2 is equal to, this 2 is square root of 2. Then, square root of 2 times negative 3 is square root of 2 is equal to a negative 3 square root of 4. Kasi itong square root of 2 times square root of 2 ay square root ng 4. Then, doon naman tayo sa ating denominator. Square lang natin yung bawat terms, yung first and second term. So, itong first term, 2 squared, and then minus the square of the second term. So, that is minus 3 times square root of 2 squared. Then, let us just first copy the numerator. Pero ang gagawin natin dito, pwede na nating i-simplify ito. Pwede na nating i-simplify. Kasi ang square root ng 4 ay 2. So, therefore, yan ay 3 times 2. So, magiging 6 na lang yung nandito sa atin, sa ating numerator na katumbas ng negative 3 square root of 4. Then, dito naman tayo sa ating denominator. Ang 2 squared ay equal sa 4. Then, that is minus the square of 3 square root of 2. So, etong square root of 2 ay may index dyan na 2. By the laws of radicals, pwede na natin siyang ilabas. Nandito na siya. Then, ito naman 3, then squared, that is 9. So, 9 times 2 is equivalent to 18. So, let us now simplify our final answer. So, magiging 2 square root of 2 minus 6, and then yung 4 minus 18, yan ay magiging negative 14. So, wala na tayong radical symbol dito sa ating denominator. We can say that this is our final and simplified answer. Kung gusto mong lalo pang ma-enhance ang iyong skills, ay maaari mong subukan ang practice exercises na ito. Maaari mong ilagay sa comment section kung ano ang iyong final answer upang makita natin kung tama ang iyong sagot. Sapagkat laging tatandaan, sa math ay hindi maaari na nanonood ka lamang. Upang maging mahusay, dapat lagi kang handa na mag-practice o magsanay.